In a world where conscious eating is on the rise, let's delve into the top 5 delectable vegan meals. First up, the classic vegan lasagna, layered with rich tomato sauce, zucchini, eggplant, and vegan cheese. It's a crowd pleaser. Second, a warming vegan chili, packed with beans, bell peppers, and a blend of spices that'll keep you coming back for more. Third, the vegan Buddha bowl, a medley of grains, greens, and protein, all topped off with a creamy tahini dressing. Fourth, vegan sushi, a colorful roll of avocado, cucumber, and bell pepper, wrapped in sushi rice and nori. Last but not least, vegan chocolate cake, a moist, rich dessert that'll satisfy any sweet tooth. There you have it, 5 vegan meals that are as delicious as they are healthy. So why not give them a try? Before we move on, remember to hit that like button if you're enjoying our content. Your support helps us bring more vegan delights to your screens. And if you haven't already, click on that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. We know that these 5 recipes are just a taste of the vegan world. That's why we've prepared a special treat for our subscribers. Check out the link in our description to discover over 300 mouth-watering vegan recipes that you can try at home. From breakfast to dinner, desserts to snacks, we've got you covered. So whether you're a vegan veteran or just starting your plant-based journey, there's something for everyone. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to expand your vegan culinary skills.